Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic 5008 SUV in the GT line specification. So this car features Peugeot's advanced grip control, which gives you optimised grip in different conditions such as snow, mud and sand. There's also hill descent assistance. Outside the car you've got 18-inch alloy wheels, full LED headlights, tinted rear windows. There's front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree colour reversing camera. Now inside the car you've got half leather interior. The touchscreen features 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth. On top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights and wipers and cruise control. Some great safety features too, including lane keeping assistance, blind spot detection and speed limit recognition. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.5 litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 130 horsepower. There's a 6-speed manual gearbox. The car's done under 10,500 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.